Hello everyone. Thank you for being here. Welcome back to my channel. And today is just a flip through. It's for the Citrus Journal. This one I did very plain. So this is a simple journal ready for whoever purchases it on my Etsy shop. It's ready for them to play with. And I'm providing a kit of materials to go with it. So this one is much more like a book journal. I used this really nice fabric. This is one of the decoupaged napkins, and I had this fun ribbon that has lemons on it. And the first thing about this is I did do a hidden or floating spine. So you can see that the actual hard part of the spine that the signatures are sewn to is separate from just the cloth backing. And what's lovely about that is that every time you open it, you get a much more flat surface to write on. It's still pretty full because there's 130 plus pages front and back. So there's what is it, 11 pages per signature. I think that's what it was. So yeah, so you've got this really nice flat surface, and that spine stays flexible, no binding up, and it's sturdy, strong, really excellent. And again, I will be putting the links to the appropriate videos in the description box. So let's do a quick flip through because there just isn't a lot of variety in this one, but I made it pretty. Now this is the napkin decoupage. This is napkin decoupage. This is also a napkin, just into a simple trifold. And then we just get into a variety of papers. There's some Easter egg dyed papers, and then I used papers that I just happen to have in my stash. Piece of construction paper, kind of fun with the different shades. This is another napkin that is just with the PVA adhesive. Very strong, very flexible, but it's got that translucency that's really nice. Some scrapbook paper, made a couple of those. And this was fun. This is a collage I did. It's with tissue paper and Sharpie marker. That's it. I used Yes Paste on this one, and it's just tissue paper. So I thought, why not? I was going through my stuff and I went, well, that'd be a nice thing to put inside this journal. Something I want to do more of is add some of my own artistic kind of play. All of the signatures are 3-hole pamphlet stitch into the spine. And this is kind of fun. It creates more of a closed pocket so things won't slide out. So out of the lemon signature and into the lime signature. This is again a napkin. Couldn't find much in the way of lime images, so took advantage of that. But I do have some nice green papers. One of those cute little flip down envelopes with a hidden pocket. And this is a piece of scrapbook paper just folded up, and some journaling cards, tag ready to be embellished. So this is more of a project journal, something that's just totally ready for writing, for photographs, for memorabilia, whatever is wanted. It's another one of those. And into the orange signature. And that is it. With this, I am including for whoever purchases this from my Etsy shop. I am including a kit of papers, offcuts, little piece of fabric, some more of that ribbon, all ready for using as making tags, belly bands, just some extra bits and pieces and just some things to play with. And this could be the edge of a page. But I decided this time I would rather provide a kit to go with it that whoever owns this can play with rather than do all of that myself. And I thought that might be a nice change from my usual production. So this is the Citrus Journal. Perhaps there was an idea or two in here that inspired you. I hope so. And thank you so much for being here and thank you for watching. And join me next time. I'll do something completely different. Okay, bye for now.